I am Jeena Amoto, a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics and Master of Arts in Education major in Mathematics from West Visayas State University in 2015 and 2018 respectively. Presently, I am pursuing the degree Doctor of Philosophy in Science Education, major in Mathematics in the same university, and I am a faculty member of Iloilo National High School. When I entered West as a freshman in 2011, I was a shy, introverted 16-year-old with no self-confidence. However, even if I doubted myself and what I am capable of doing, my professors saw the burning desire that I had and helped me reach my potentials. The university provided me and my classmates with a holistic education with varied learning experiences inside and outside of our classrooms. We were taught how to be a teacher through classroom discussions, school activities, community immersions and outreach programs, and collaborations with government and non-government organizations. Who would have thought that a once shy 16-year-old will be a student leader, brushing shoulders with other student leaders around the country, and be recognized as an outstanding student in the province and in the region? Now that I am a teacher, I carry with me the values of scholarship, harmony, innovation, nurturance, excellence, and service that the university have instilled in me. Being a teacher is no easy task, especially during these difficult times of a pandemic. The education sector has faced challenges it has never faced before. Being a millennial teacher, I was challenged to merge tradition with innovation. It is a test of physical, emotional, and mental strength. However, with the skills and values I have learned from the university, I know that I am prepared no matter the circumstances.
Hi, I'm Sandro Silverio, a faculty member of Philippine Science High School Western Visayas campus and an alumnus of West Visayas State University College of Education. As a graduate of WVSU College of Education, I am honored to share with you my three major realizations on how I was holistically honed by this institution. First, in-depth delivery of content, not only in my specialization, but also in general and professional education. My first 2 years of teaching at PSHS WVC has been smooth sailing because my education back then solidified my foundation in mathematics and teaching pedagogy. In addition, I can really attest that the curriculum is relevant, realistic, and responsive to the needs of the learners of the 21st century. Second, the institution has quality teachers who are equipped with the necessary skills in delivering the curriculum. My heart is full because of my excellent teachers who mentored me and brought out the best in me. Their passion and dedication toward this noblest profession are beyond reproach. They never stop learning for professional growth just to scaffold us and provide us with the best learning experience that we can apply beyond the portal of the institution. Third, the COE offered diversified learning experiences and opportunities for my holistic development. Last 2019, I graduated as the most outstanding graduate in academics of the university. But my college life didn't only revolve around the four corners of the classroom. Seeing various opportunities for wholesome development, I engaged myself in public speaking, where I represented the university in the regional and national levels, where I was declared the champion. And I believe that these experiences boost my confidence in facilitating quality learning inside the classroom. I also took the challenge of serving others in the community by joining college and university organizations. In fact, I was awarded as one of the outstanding students of Iloilo and was recognized as finalist of 10 outstanding students of the Philippines. The mix of engagements and people that I've worked with in the college equipped me with the necessary skills to be more competent and prepared in the actual field of teaching. As I end this testimony, I would like to thank every teacher, mentor, and the College of Education for the meaningful experience and lifelong learning that will forever be engraved in my heart.